my head again. You had your heart set on me, but these feels, they come and go, and they come so easily. Tell me what it is about you that I can't forget, but you're breaking down my walls again. Just to
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and thanks for tuning in. I hope you all are well. In today's video, I'll be doing my natural hair wash day routine. I know I have about 2 to 3 videos on how I wash my natural hair, but today's video is quite different because I'll be trying out the Nioxin cleanser for fine hair and also the Nioxin scalp therapy for fine hair. I came across this at a shop and I saw that they had for fine hair, for thick hair, and also for colored hair. So because I have really fine hair and my hair tends to break a lot, I decided to try the one for fine hair. But before buying it, I read reviews online and I saw that people with fine hair, they did testify that this product worked for them and made their hair thicker. So I decided to give it a try, but it's quite expensive. One of these retails for €22. As you can see, my hair is really dirty right now. I have gel and Vaseline on my hair. I'm going to detangle it first. So guys, now that I've finished detangling my hair, I'm going to rinse out the gel that I have on my hair first, and then I'll come back and use the shampoo to wash my hair. So guys, I'm back. I've washed out the gel on my hair. So before applying shampoo on my hair, I always mix it with 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. The reason I do this is because when I apply shampoo directly to my hair, it dries out my hair and makes it difficult for me to detangle even while using conditioner. So I'm going to take 1 tablespoon of the coconut oil and I'll be mixing it in a bowl. I went ahead and melted that coconut oil in the microwave. I'll go ahead now and put my shampoo inside. And then I'll mix it. The shampoo does have a really nice smell. It smells like mint. I love the smell of mint anyways. Now that I'm done mixing, I'm just going to start applying the shampoo directly on my hair. I feel like it's too much. Alright guys, I'm going to wash out the shampoo and I'll be right back. As I'm back rinsing up the shampoo, I'll go ahead and use the conditioner.
Staying up when I go out, you gotta know I'm all yours. But when I say what's that about, you start slurring your words. Tell me why you have to seem so distant when I'm holding you. Your fingertips are drifting away, and I fucking love how it hurts.
So I'm going to cover up my hair with shower cap and leave it for 10 to 15 minutes before washing it off. So after leaving the conditioner on my hair for 10 minutes, I went ahead and rinsed it off with cold water. So I'm going to dry it now. To moisturize my hair, I'll be using the Mamiya Organics Moroccan Argan Goat Oil.
Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you always, always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling? Why do I, baby, why do I?
So guys, that's all for this wash day routine. For the meantime, I can't really tell you guys about this product because this is a first impression video. I'm going to continue using this product for the meantime for a better result, and then I can give you guys my final review on this product if it works or not. So that will be all for this video. I hope you guys find it helpful. If you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel if you're not yet subscribed. And also don't forget to turn on your notification bell so you don't miss any updates from me. I love you guys, and I'll see you all in my next one. Bye guys.
Robos, casca, if no be you, then tell me who. Then go send